And now the end is near.
There are lyrics, and then there are notes. There are lyrics and notes that came together during a song. This song is me.
It's not only a poem and a song, but it's also a confession, an admission. It states its case in a universal way.
I feel like I've grown up with my way. Just the song itself has spoken to me throughout my entire life.
Tous les artistes, on essaierait de reproduire la recette miracle. Et en fait, la réalité, c'est qu'on ne sait pas pourquoi il y a une chanson comme ça qui a un pouvoir magique.
I was born at the end of the 60s. I've stood the test of time and trends and crossed continents. At the end of the day, I'm a song that belongs to everyone.